beautiful babes and games of the world? It's your girl Itskeilynnn, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video.
Perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it. All that beauty goes deeper than the surface. Don't be afraid to catch fish. Red dressed up and chase.
And today, as you can tell, my voice is almost gone. So I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. My best friend's actually going to do my voiceover for me. So I'm just going to get into this video. I've already started my eyebrows, so I'm just going to continue doing my eyebrows on camera.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is, what the heck is she doing? She coloring on here? Oh, we're doing eyebrows. Yeah. Alright, so we finna line it up. Yep, that's what we're doing. We making sure y'all know I got eyebrows. Oh, damn, we making them white. We're trying to go Sonic right now. Alright, cool. Alright, so next, we got a little... we're gonna put a dab right here. Okay, that's for my eyes. All right, so what we finna do is we finna give y'all the little spotlight. Oh yeah, it's gonna make my eyeballs nice and shiny so that way you can see that they pop. As you can see, rubbing in kind of thick. Yeah, we in here. All right, next we got a palette. This is called my coloring palette. That way we can get these different colors in so we can change the look of our eyes some more, because you know, enough is never enough. All right, to continue. All right. This time we go with the dark look, because you know we need some contrast to the light. You know, like I said, I'm going Egyptian on y'all now. Y'all see them colors? Yeah, that's pretty dope. All right, so while I find another brush. Okay, there we go. All right, cool. So now we're gonna shade some more in because we need different colors. Again, I don't know how many colors we're gonna use, but we're using some more. Snap is a whole nother Egyptian 2-pack in. Alright, where you can get, I don't know, she'll tell you. Alright, cool. We're going to Egyptian 3-pack, Egyptian 4-pack in. Y'all, I think I got a makeup problem for real, but I guess that's what we're gonna have to do. Alright, cool. So here we go. Alright, blend in some more. If it wasn't dark before, y'all gonna know it's gonna be dark now. Now get my money on, so don't say nothing about this. That's gonna look good in the end. Alright, cool. Alright, so next we're gonna grab some more brushes. We're gonna do some more heat checks to make sure it's the right color. Man, I wish I could do makeup on my hands. Y'all should see the face I'm making right now. Alright, so now we're gonna add a little light, because guess what? I made it too dark, so I gotta start all over again. Oh no, we just gonna light it back up. You know, just about to my original color that I had in the first place. We're gonna talk about that right now. So right now we're gonna color some on my arm, make the face nice and, you know, that's cool. You know, at the end of this video, if you want to see the face on my arm, just let me know. All right, cool. Now that we made it bright, now we need to make it shiny. I'm just gonna use some of this shoe polish. Yeah, that's good. It looks good. It looks real good. Just shine it up. All right, next we're going to the paint mask again. We're going back to the red one. All right, I got tired of it being shiny. I think I changed my mind, so we need to be dark again. So I'm gonna go back with some of this purplish looking stuff. It's like grass if it was purple. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It's kind of shiny. It looks like a pillow. Oh no, it looks like she got some black eye. See, she gonna call the cops. You guys saw what she just did to us. So she did it to herself. All right, cool. All right, that's one eye out the way. You know what? The look is done. We should just be done with this spot here, right? Nah, we're not gonna do that. If we're gonna black one eye up, we might as well black the other one up, right? So while I make sure this is dark enough so the cops can call my best friend, it would be good. All right, now we're done with both. We're gonna spray this stencil one more time. All right. So since I really think I made it too dark, I'm just gonna make it the color of my shirt, because you know it's just, well, why not? You know, this is too dark, and you know, too much dark is a bad thing. We just need to shine it up just a little bit more. All right, so as we transition into a lighter pink, there we go. All right, so it's a tampon. Oh no, it's not a tampon, but it looks just like one. Oh well, just gonna grab it, shift it up. All right. You see what we're doing? Our eyelashes are too straight, so we need to make them curved. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Now, how she does not poke out her eye with none of this stuff, I do not know. But here we go. Do some more stuff. All right. You see these products? Yep. Go buy them. I don't know what they do. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So it's basically white ketchup on my face. We're gonna go talk. Man, best friend, what is you doing? That look like bird poop, but since that's what we doing, we gonna smear some bird poop on my face. Yeah, make it all shiny. You know, I think she could have got the same effect, put some lotion on her face, and then we've been all right, right? All right, cool, we good. Everything's cool. All right, cool. So now that our face is nice and smooth and silk, we're gonna, whatever that bottle is, yes, we're gonna spray some more in the exact same locations we just did everything from. You know, now we out here kitty catting style. Cool. Whatever that was. Alright, and now we're gonna use the egg. We're gonna rub our face with an egg roll. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, just egg rolling all over my face. Just like, yep. Gotta get the nose too. Gotta make sure it's all egg rolled out. We gotta make sure we look like an egg and we smell like an egg. Because what's what? We are an egg. Alright, cool. Now that we have changed even to a lighter tone, we're gonna what? Okay, y'all, I see what we're going with here. We're going with the African look now. We have moved from Egyptian to African, okay? Alright, here we go. Alright, we're gonna sing a little song in a minute. Oh, no, that's not what we're doing. We're blending some more. We're blending. That's what we're doing. See? Yes, I thought we couldn't get any lighter than what we are. We're getting lighter some more. It's a tree. It's a bird. It's a plane. Nah, it's just brighter. I look like it turned red up there for a sec. Nah, I didn't. It's okay. We good. Alright, cool. Alright, so what we're finna do now is grab another brush again. We're gonna smell it. Smells like corn chips. Nah, I'm just playing. Let's go. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're puffing up even lighter than before. There ain't no way it's gonna another color palette. Y'all, I really think I got problems. It's just, I don't know. It's each time I make myself lighter, I just gotta keep making it lighter some more. Oh, I know what's going on. She's trying to make her face get some definition. It's got enough definition already, okay? You know what? Just forget it. We're gonna do something else, alright? We're gonna make a thin brown line inside of my face because we're trying to deer it out right now. That's what we're doing. We're trying to do the Bambi right now. Nah, no way. Alright, so as we take the light brush, now our nose is nice and curved. It's gonna make a nose like Lois Griffin. There we go. Alright. Okay, so now I'm just gonna darken it some more because you know we're not all white, we light. So let's get it. Alright, cool. Mandy. Alright. So here we go with one more brush. What in the world is going on? Alright. Man. I wish I could do makeup this fast. Nah, oh my god, no I don't. Don't look at me like that. See, she dropping stuff. Alright, so we fanning it out now. That's what's gotta keep going on. It's not brush, it's fanning. Alright. Oh my god. Now she wanna rainbow colorify everything. I don't even know what it's called. It looks like it's called something backwards, but I guess we're using this color today. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna apply a little more to the cheeks because I got tired of myself being light skinned again. I just wanna be dark skinned. What'd that say? Oh, I missed it again, y'all. Well, hopefully y'all saw it. Just go back, pause the video. Y'all can hear me talk some more. Alright, cool. So, alright. So, let's see what you're gonna do. Again, we're making ourselves even lighter and even shinier. So now, because you know, eggs have to be very shiny. So we're gonna be shiny today. Alright, so next, alright, so we're gonna put some more bird on the side of my face. Yes. Alright, cool. Alright, now we gotta brush that in because, you know, that's too light for me. And not nearly as shiny enough. Okay, here we go. Back to the red palette again. Alright, so what is this? Okay, just now we gotta give our eye, some more definition, because as pillows for eyes isn't quite good enough for me. You have to be clouds of purple. So we're gonna go underneath it and we're gonna lighten it up some more. Alright, so now that we did our top eyelashes, now we have to do the bottoms, because why not? Alright, shake the devil off. Alright, so she did some kind of spritz there, and now we're into the next section of the video where she is going to attempt to make her lips the Kylie Jenner way. She's gonna make them big and puffy, and well, maybe not that nasty, but alright. Now we got that done. Now we're gonna put another coat of whatever color that is to make them even more of whatever they're supposed to be. So I'm gonna right now she's practicing her singing. I know you guys can't hear it. Alright, so we're gonna take some more. Now we're gonna take a brush. We're gonna put the light goldish color on top, because obviously that works. Nah, I don't know about all that. Looks good though. Excellent. Now we gotta fluffify our hair some more, Alright, cool. So this is the final look. Thank you all for watching. Peace.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got this.